Hello student, I am Dr. S. L. Munde, Assistant Professor Department of Mathematics 3, RLT College of Science, Akola. Dear student, in previous lecture we have seen theorem on a mixed strategy. We have seen basic concept of the theorem and then we have seen theorem on a mixed strategy. So in this lecture we will see some problems on a mixed strategy. Or we can say that some problems on a without saddle point, because in before lecture we have already seen the problems, that problems there was exist saddle point, but in this problem there will be no saddle point. That means we can say that problems without saddle point. Okay, or we can say that this problem on a mixed strategy. So what will be the question in examination? Find the optimum strategies and the value of the game of the following payoff matrix. Okay. So there will be the such types of the payoff matrix. Okay. Now we will see the problem. So this is the given payoff matrix. So player A using two strategies A1, A2 and player B using two strategies B1, B2. Okay. So this is the payoff matrix. Okay. Now here we have to find out the optimum strategy for player A and for player B, and then we have to find out the value of the game. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, solution: the given payoff matrix is given as player A using two strategies A1 A2 B1, player B using B1 B2 strategies 5 1 3 4. These are the payoff for player A and for player B. Okay, so in first step we will find out the row minima. Row minima means select smallest element from each row. Okay, so this is here is 5 1, 1 is a row minima. Here 3 4, that is 3 is row minima. So those elements are small, so make as a star. Okay, so this is one, so make star, make star. Okay, then we will find out the maximin. Maximin means the largest value in a row minima, that is 3, and it is denoted by lower V bar. Then we will find out the column maxima. Column maxima means select largest value in each row column. So here is 5 is the largest value, so make as a plus. So here 4 is the largest value, so make as a plus. Okay, then we will find out the minimax. Minimax means smallest value in column maxima, so that is it is denoted by the upper V bar equal to 4. Okay, so this is the minimax and maximin. If you observe from this given payoff matrix, the given payoff matrix is without saddle point. There does not exist any saddle point. That means there is no combined plus and star term. Okay, so we can say that the given payoff matrix is without saddle point. Okay, so that means we can say that the optimum strategy will be the mixed strategies. So therefore we will consider the mixed strategies for player A. The mixed strategy for player A and for player B are given as, it is denoted by ESA. Mixed strategy for player A, A1 A2 with payoff P1 P2. Mixed strategy for player B, with B1 B2 with payoff Q1 Q2. So conditions are P1 plus P2 here equal to 1 and Q1 plus Q2 equal to 1. Okay, so here we have to find out of P1 P2 Q1 Q2. Okay, then we will find out the value of the game. So now we will find out P1. The formula for to find P1 is A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Okay, so we have given 2 by 2 payoff matrix. A11 means 5, A12 means 2, A21 means 3 and A22 means 4. Okay, so using this payoff matrix we will put the values of A22, that is 4, A21, that is 3, a11 that is 5 and plus a22 means 4, then a12 means that is 1 and a21 that is 3. Okay, so solving this we will get 1 upon 5, p1 is 1 upon 5. Then by using this condition p1 plus p2, so p2 can be obtained 1 minus p1, so p2 is that is 1 minus p1, that is 1 minus 1 by 5, that is 4 upon 5. Okay, so here p1 is 1 by 5, p2 is 4 by 5. Okay, so here you have to remember the values of p1 p2 must satisfy this condition. The addition of p1 plus p2 must be equal to 1. Okay, then we will find out q1. The formula for q1 is given as 2 by 2 payoff matrix a22 minus a12 divided by a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21. Okay, so from the given payoff matrix we will put the values of a22 minus a12, a11 and so on. So here a22 is 4 in payoff matrix, a12 is 1, a11 is 5, a22 is that is 4 minus, this is minus sign, a12 that is 3 and a21 that is 1. Okay, so calculation of this term is that is 3 by 4. Okay, that is 3 by 4. Okay, there is a only difference in p1 and p2. So here is a21 term and here is a12 term. Okay, baki term as it is, all the terms are, other terms are as it is. So q1 is 3 by 5, then we can find out q2 by using this condition. q2 means that is 1 minus q1. So 1 minus q1 that is 1 minus 3 by 5, so which is equal to 2 by 5. Okay, so the value of q1 q2 must satisfy this condition. If we take the addition of q1 plus q2, so it must be equal to 1. Okay, so here q1 q2 satisfy this condition, p1 and p2 also satisfy this condition. Okay, thus we can say that our p1 p2 q1 q2 values are right. Now we will find out the value of the game, and the formula is given as v equal to a11 a22 minus a12 a21 a22 plus a22 plus minus a12 plus a21. So putting the values from the given payoff matrix a11 a22 and calculate, we will get 17 by 5. Okay, so this 17 by 5 must be lies between min max and maximin 3 by 4, 3 and 4. So the value of the game v must be lies between minimax and maximin. Okay, so if you observe 17 by 5, this will be lies between 3 and 4. Okay, so therefore the value of the game v is 17 by 5. Now we will find out the optimum strategy for player A. Therefore the optimum strategy for player A is P1 P2. Write down the values of P1 P2. P1 is optimum strategy for player A is P1 and P2. P1 is 1 by 5, P2 is 4 by 5. Therefore the optimum strategy for player A is 1 by 5 and 4 by 5. Similarly, the optimum strategy for player B is, that is Q1 Q2. Optimum strategy for Q1 Q2 we have considered. The Q1 is 3 by 5 and Q2 is 2 by 5. Okay, so therefore the optimum strategy for player B is 3 by 5, 2 by 5. And the value of the game V is found to be, that is 17 by 5. Okay, so this is the actual solution. Okay, or we can write down the optimum strategy in this form, putting the values of p1 p2 in this table. Okay, p1 p2 q1 q2 you can write in this way also. Okay, so optimum strategy for player A is a1 a2 with payoff 1 by 5 4 by 5, and for strategy for player B is b1 b2 with payoff 3 by 5 2 by 5, and the value of the game V is 17 by 5. So you can write in this way. So this is the first example on a without saddle point or on a mixed property, mixed strategy. Now we will see the second example, similar second example. The given P of matrix is 1 4 3 4. There may be the question in your examination. Find out the optimum strategies for the following optimum strategy and the value of the game for the following P of matrix. Okay. So if you observe here, not given player A and player B. So that means we have to consider here the payoff matrix. In payoff matrix there are two players, player A and player B. Okay, so let us we consider the this payoff matrix for the player A and for the player B. Solution: the given payoff matrix for player A is given as player A using two strategies A1 A2 and player B using two strategies B1 B2. So this payoff matrix can be written in this form: 1 4 3 2 1 4 3 2. Now we will find out the first row minima. Row minima means smallest value in each row, that is 1 and that is 2. So make star as a minimum value in each row, that is 1 and 2 star. Find out maximin. Maximin means largest value in row minima and it is denoted by lower v bar equal to 2. Find out column maxima. Column maxima means largest value in column and make as a plus. Okay, denote it is denoted as a plus sign. Okay, so this is 3 and this is 4. Okay, so this is the identification of the largest value in each column. Okay, find out minimax. Minimax is smallest value in column maxima and it is denoted by low upper v bar. Upper v bar equal to 3. Okay, so here maximin is 2 and minimax is 3. That means our value of the game v should be lies between 2 and 3. Okay, so if you observe from this given payoff matrix, there does not exist any saddle point. That means there is no the combination of the star and plus term. Okay, that means there is no intersection of star and plus. So hence we can say that the given payoff matrix is without saddle point. Therefore we can say that the given payoff matrix is using a mixed strategy. Therefore the mixed strategy for player A and for player B can be written as: mixed strategy for player A is A1 A2 with payoff P1 P2 and for player B is B1 B2 with payoff Q1 Q2, where P1 plus P2 equal to 1 and Q1 plus Q2 equal to 1. Now we will find out P1 P2 and Q1 Q2. So by using formula we will find out P1. So P1 is A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Okay, so from the given payoff matrix we can find out A11 is 1, A12 is 4, A21 is 3, A22 is 4. So putting the values from given payoff matrix and solving, so we will get P1 is 1 by 4. Okay, so this is the value of P1. Now we will find out the P2. So by using this condition, P2 can be written as 1 minus P1. So 1 minus P1, that is 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Okay. So this value of P1 and P2 must satisfy this condition. Okay. Addition of the P1 and P2 must be equal to 1. Now we will find out Q1 Q2. The formula for Q1 is given as A22 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. So putting the values of all these terms from the given payoff matrix, okay, and solving, we will get Q1 is 1 by 2. So similarly, using this condition we can find out the value of Q2. Q2 is 1 minus Q1. So therefore 1 minus Q1, that is 1 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so though here you have to match the value of Q1 Q2 must be equal to 1. Okay, so here Q1 and Q2 must be equal to 1. And now finally we will find out the optimal strategy for player now finally we will find out the value of the game V, and it is given by the formula A11 A22 minus A21 into A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. So putting all these values from the given P of matrix and calculate, you will get the value of the game V is 5 by 2. Okay. So this is the value of the game for the given payoff matrix, that is 5 by 2, and this is lies between, that is 2 and 3. Okay. Now we will find out the optimum strategies for player A. The optimum strategy for player A is it is denoted as SA. A1, A2, P1 is 1 by 4, P2 is 3 by 4. Okay, optimum strategy for player A, P1, P2. So put the values of P1, P2, you will get optimum strategy for player A. Similarly for player B, optimum strategy for player B is B1, B2, here Q1, Q2. So put the value of Q1 is 1 by 2, Q2 is 1 by 2. Okay, and the value of the game V is found to be, that is 5 by 2. This is the 5 by 2. Okay, so this is the second example on a mixed strategy where the given payoff matrix is without saddle point. Okay, so dear student, I hope you understood both examples. Now I will give you one example for the homework. Okay, so you have to solve this problem as a homework problem. Okay, so you have to solve this problem. Okay, so you can see how the problem is solved. Okay, so you can check step by step. Okay, you have to solve this problem at a home. Okay, so value of the game fee is 5 by 2. Optimum strategy is found to be, that is 1 by 4, 3 by 4, and optimum strategy for player B is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, okay, so this is the homework problem to you. So in next lecture we will see another problems on this without on this topic, that is mixed strategy.